So for this piece I actually did a sketch. The last, I don't know how many pieces I've painted have all pretty much been freestyle of some sort, just a mishmash of different stuff just kind of thrown together. So here you go. So there we go, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. The piece came out alright, I enjoyed the colours. The S sat a little bit too high compared to the sketch, but that's cool. It's something I can go back and improve next time. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, tell me what you think, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.